We're gonna do this painting in watercolor. The paper I'm using is 12 by 9 inches, which is 9 inches by 12 inches. I'm using cold press. Just use any light color. It's right about in the middle. The bottom of the boat is about right here. This is the pants. Bend a little bit, the knee. Let's mark a little shape. That's the front of his face. And there's the front of her face. Yeah. A little bit red and the blue color. That's how we make the dark color right over here. Coming over. And I'm gonna have this a little bit off. So coming right in here. Okay, come all the way down over here. This is good. Right there. A little bit tiny blue color. Here you go, like that. And all the way up over here. Here you go. We talked about earlier, we're going to actually move this even higher, like that, from here going up. Yeah, let's see. Have you guys been there, Venice? Yeah, very fun. A little bit line coming over here. I'm going to have the person standing right there. Give a little suggestions to the water. So let's see if the wall over here, that's going to be coming down. That's good. And the boat over here. And coming onto this way. And I'm going to have that. And those color in the reflection will reflect the color over there. The light color only going to have a little bit like over here. The lightest light will be over the boat. So we're going to start a little bit warm brown color in the distance. Like that. Coming over here. A little bit darker. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to have a little bit more green, right? So I'm going to start from here. This will be the first round. After it dries, it's gonna always look a little bit lighter. So we're gonna come back to re-evaluate it. Over here to put that watercolor, the color of the water again. So I'm gonna have this side a little bit darker. As you can see that's gonna be appear to be lighter, right? That's good. That's still wet. That's good. Merge it into the water. That's good. Here too. Now I'm going to add a little bit yellow color. And I'm going to put the yellow color over here. Try to see the value of the color of the person's shirt. It's not light. It's actually a little bit darker. It's in the shadow. The whole thing in the shadow. So, okay, see that. Okay, I'm going to have this color like this. This is good. Very interesting. Okay, right here. Okay, here you go. Really good. And here too. Really good. Like that. And look in the inside, the forehead. The arm, start over here. That's good. This same color coming here. Now onto this side, I'm going to use a little bit more blue with the yellow color, like this. Okay. That. So I'm going to have a little bit tiny water. But I don't need to clean the whole brush. It just need more water. Because we want this a little bit lighter. So also give a little bit shape like a reflection. A little bit lighter. Look, that's good. Okay. And I'm gonna have a little bit gray color. So let's get a little bit tiny more red into it. Here you go. A little bit shape. Like that. And we're gonna have a little bit light shape on the outside. And why don't I just have a little bit tiny suggestions of line over here. I'm gonna take a look at the two people, the two guests, and sitting in the boat. And that is a very bright kind of orange color, right? So this is good. Yellow and red. Okay. On her first. Okay, like that. Yeah, comparing the size of the face, it's a little bit bigger. This up a little bit here. Okay, that's good. The arm over here. Put a little bit darker color behind them. So gonna get that's a little bit darker. That's good. That's right behind. And we can form the shoulder. A little bit more color like that. And some flower over here. Have a little bit water. And maybe a tiny yellow. More like a little bit brownish color. Okay, that's gonna put this right under. That's good. Now I come back to the shape behind, but a little bit more red. That's good. Take the little red over here. That's just good. Now I'm going to take a look at this. Would be her cast shadow right at the front here. Maybe a little bit tiny red with the reflection. Okay, like that. So also for him. All right. Pretty good. Because sometimes like a feeling kind of, that's the limit. I cannot go move forward. But be patient. You can do it too. Okay. Okay, a little bit softer like that. I add a little bit tiny water. That's just good. All right. I'm going to take a look at in front of him. Right, here we go. Like that. If they're too soon and you want to stop and come back in a couple more minutes later, okay? I think this is fine. I'm still in love with these two brushes, really simplified everything I need. That's pretty good. Now maybe the good time to set the eyeglasses. Okay, I'm gonna have the blue and mix with a little red. Here we go. I'm gonna have that eyeglasses right over here. See, a little bit higher right here. And then coming to this side. Just draw the line first and all the way to the hand. So I'm going to put a little bit over here in the middle. So actually cross over him, over his face. Okay, like that. On this side of the reflection, now I'm going to mix the yellow, the green, right, like this. That's too bright, so get a little bit red together. Okay, let's see. This is the right color. So this is the shape. That's good. All right. Come a little bit more to the right. That's good. Just use the corner of this brush. Okay, that's good. Using the gouache paint. The water touching. Okay, here you go. And here you go. A little bit soft brush stroke. And a little bit more over here too. Okay, right here. Okay, a little bit later. And I want to keep going just with the white. Okay, coming back over here. Let's take a look. And that's a little bit white. That's good. Thick enough. Okay, so a little bit more clear. And here you go. Alright, I think this painting is finished.